Bro bedo kwa kilo ni kwa dhi nyime gi weche manyien mago mag Migago. Kopogore gi mano, od bura mar kaunti ma Kajiado kokale kamiti marango weche aluora chano chwalo paro mano mar chik mabiro keto chike matayo chenro mag kunyo kuoyo e kaunti no. Kamiti machano jiwo chikego bang'i yangore ni kuoyo ma ikunyo e gwenge mago mag Kajiado ok tim e yor chik kendo medo ketho aluora. Jopiny ma Kajiado sechwalo kwayo mano mar neno ni chike obedo mar tayo kunyo makamano. Ohand kokoto en achiel kuom ohala madongo e kaunti no mano ma Kajiado ka sirkand kaunti no yudo atamalo maduong' mar osuru kaluwore kod ohala no.
It is good when our people draw profit in an environmentally just way, so that we are able to see that whatever we are doing is going to be sensitive about climate action, that we do not just exploit our rivers, we do not just exploit the potential of our youth. We want to say let us draw profits, but let us conserve the environment.
And we are impressed that at least our people are concerned about the near future of this county, and they are interested in seeing ways in which they can sort problems that are facing us with the climate change, that are coming with the climate change.
We are going to improve that bill and incorporate what is in this petition right now, because we want to have a very, very informed bill, a very informed law on sand harvesting within Kajiado County.
The sector has stayed for long without being regulated, and we look forward to regulate the sector, especially in terms of how sand